You can help me take the box off. Look at that.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, pretty. That's my little unboxing helper over here.
These boxes are useless.
Okay then.
Isn't it big with them?
Actually, can you tweak that, or is it destroyed the box?
So there's
It's good.
Okay.
key start,
Okay.
data display, power point with a 15 amp earth pin,
Lots of
the specs here. Don't know if you can read those. My box crushing implement's going nuts over here. Maybe we could sell him on eBay as a cardboard recycling assistant. Show me your work. Whoa! Woo! The crusher. There's the goodies bag. Spare spark plug, 12 volt leads, plug spanner. I don't know what all these gizmos are yet. The book, the wheels. Seems my trash compactor has a carry the stuff out to the recycling function.
You're not selling me.
Oh, okay. I'll put you in the box and put you on eBay.
Okay, thanks.
Got some of the inspection openings off. There's the battery hatch in there. Spark plug down here. In here, got the service hatch. Fuel primer pump, filter, and a real K-hen carburetor. Just exactly like Honda use. That looks like the electronic governor control up there, or the
Governor.
automatic choke. I don't know which yet. I think we'll take it out and put some petrol and oil in it and see what happens.